Welcome. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to disable the hide comments feature on Instagram. Whether you're a creator who loves open conversations under your posts or just someone who wants to see every comment, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it. So grab your phone, open Instagram, and let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to change the setting. Once you're inside the app, look for your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen and tap it. This will take you to your profile page where you can see your posts, reels, and highlights. Next, look up to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the three-line icon, also known as the menu button. Go ahead and tap on that. From here, a list of options will appear. This is where you can access your account settings, saved items, and privacy options. Now, scroll down the list until you see hidden words. This is the feature where Instagram manages comment filtering, message requests, and offensive content tools. Tap hidden words to open that section. Once you're inside the hidden word settings, look for the option labeled hide comments. If it's turned on, Instagram automatically filters out comments it thinks might be offensive or unwanted. To disable it, simply toggle the switch off. When it's off, all comments, including those previously hidden, will now appear under your posts as usual. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the hide comments feature on Instagram. From now on, you'll have full control of your comment section, seeing everything your followers and visitors write. Just remember, you can always come back to this menu and toggle the feature on or off anytime you want. If you found this helpful, make sure to share it with your friends or anyone who might be struggling with hidden comments. Thanks for watching.